Top 5 Best Collapsible and Folding Wagons. Number 5. TCP Global Portable Folding Wagon. This portable utility wagon by TCP Global is the real deal. Compatible with gardens, beaches, picnics, sports events, and pools, it can hold up to the whopping 265 pounds of weight. What prompts such a big number? Well, there are multiple factors that come into play. First of all, it is the heavy-duty steel frame. Second, it's the durable 600 denier polyester fabric that is easy to remove and wash. Third, it's the oversized wheels coated with rubber. The two mesh holders are a nice bonus to have, and so are the two fully adjustable handles. You will have no issues maneuvering across all types of terrains with a wagon that makes it easy to push and pull. What we like? The exterior of the cart has two mesh holders, while the interior features an additional pouch for even more storage space. The wagon quickly opens up and folds back up with a single pull of a strap inside the cart's center. What we don't like? It is on a heavy side. Coming in number 4. Timber Ridge Folding Beach Wagon. There are countless positive reviews on the Timber Ridge Folding Beach Wagon, and we can see why. This relatively expensive cart can justify its hefty price tag with the high construction that is bound to last you at least a couple of years. The 600 denier polyester and a steel frame is nothing new, yet the quality of it is what makes it unique. You can roll up to 150 pounds on the hard surface and around 110 pounds on the sand, which makes it an all-around wagon by definition. The telescoping handles make it suitable for every height and age category, while the large and rugged wheels ensure long-lasting durability. You have got plenty of room to store your items, meaning that there's no need to compromise on what you bring and leave at home. What we like? When folded, the wagon can fit into the carry-on bag that comes with it for easier transportation and storage. The 360-degree rotating wheels allow you to pull the wagon with little to no effort. What we don't like? The tires are not of the best quality. Coming in number 3. MacSports Heavy Duty Collapsible Cart. MacSports is the Honda of all wagons. It has been around for quite some time and has earned itself a good reputation as a reliable carrier. The 150 pounds of weight capacity make it the perfect companion for day trips to the beach, afternoon grocery runs, and evening picnics in the park. Unlike claims from other brands of wagons, everything we know about MacSports is true to the T. The durable fabric of the cart has UV and mold resistance characteristics, while its frame is rugged enough to withstand every terrain and weather condition. The adjustable handle enables effortless transportation, which is essential for navigating around with the heavy loaded wagon. The two mesh pockets in the front can fit plenty of small items like a water bottle or a wallet, a handy storage space to have when on the go. What we like? When folded, the cart reaches 9.7 inches in thickness. The two front pockets make it easy to store your hands-on essentials close to you. What we don't like? Not suitable for children transportation. Coming in number 2. WHITSUNDAY Folding Garden Picnic Wagon. For a fun pattern with uncompromised practicability, go for the WHITSUNDAY Folding Garden Picnic Wagon. Designed to withstand up to 175 pounds, it is surprisingly lightweight and easy to use. The wheels feature bearings that allow for smooth gliding no matter how rocky and unstable the terrain is. The steel frame is constructed to be thick with the big T. This ensures the ultimate sturdiness and longevity of the carrier. The canvas fabric can be quickly removed for cleaning, and then put back for the next use. This convenient exploitation means you can make the most from the wagon without having to put too much effort into operating it. The foldable dimensions of the cart enable you to fit it in the trunk of your car or carry it in hand while it's tucked into its carry-on bag. What we like? The fun pattern makes you stand out from the crowd of boring, monotone wagons. The carry-on bag helps to conveniently carry the wagon from A to B. What we don't like? The handle is relatively short. Coming in number 1. BOJARTIN Folding Push Wagon. Translating from French as Beautiful Garden, BOJARTIN made it their mission to create aesthetically pleasing and practical tools for outdoor fun. The folding wagon became just that, an assembly-free device that combines the good looks and excellent construction. It has 360-degree wheels that can be rolled on every surface, and an adjustable handle for accommodating every height. Crafted from the removable fabric, 600 denier polyester, it makes it easy to clean the wagon after each use. The sturdy black steel frame provides much-needed support when carrying heavy items. You can fold and unfold the wagon in a matter of seconds, which is great for when you are running late or your kids are misbehaving. When folded, it fits perfectly well in the closet or in the trunk of a car. What we like: the large wide wheels allow you to roll the wagon on every terrain. The push handle is adjustable, which helps to push the wagon when it's heavily loaded. What we don't like: the price tag is high,